Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you will find by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, today we shall study the last topic of your chapter work, energy and power, that is law of conservation of energy. Dear students, what was kinetic energy, potential energy, numeric that we have derived the expression for this potential and kinetic energy. We have studied types of energy, how one form of energy is converted into another form, and another form energy, for example, electrical energy into chemical energy into electrical energy, solar energy into electrical energy, etc., etc. Today we have to study law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation क्या हो? Conservation को no gain, no loss here in law of conservation of energy. Energy is one form of energy convert गसान another form of energy बन तक energy तक conversion दौरान छन energy, total energy of the system, it remains constant, it remains same, there is no change. Yel of energy गसान change से kinetic energy गसान into potential energy, or potential energy into kinetic energy, which we have studied till yesterday. What happens then? There is no loss of energy or no gain of energy. What? The total energy of the system, it remains same. Say, agar total energy system was 100 joules, then potential energy, agar potential energy is 50 joules, kinetic kinetic energy is 50 joule. Agar kunja agar kam, agar kunja kinetic energy के share joule, potential energy is 30 joule. Total was half. This is what we have to study, and this is what the law of conservation of energy says. Dear students, what it says, whenever energy changes from one form to another form, the total amount of energy, remains constant. ये up fall of energy gets say kinetic energy into potential energy, or potential energy into kinetic energy, since which is our the reference that we have to study that potential and kinetic energy expert बनता है. The तक क्या वाला ये लगता है आप say potential energy is changed into kinetic energy. ये और assume how potential energy is changed to kinetic energy. फिर पे top पे आ बुन वासा से यहाँ का सीर या कहाँ की चीज़ वासा छ या kinetic energy is but बुन का साथ कम ये should lift कर पर चीज़ आदि position हो रहा है ताकि ऐसा kinetic energy into potential energy. मगर total amount of energy of the system that will remain same, that will remain constant, that will not change. This is what the law of conservation of energy says. Or we can say energy is neither created nor destroyed. Nahagat energy create no gets it. So next energy destroy. Create. During conversion, some energy, some very energy you should, it is lost as heat, but total energy, it is lost, but total energy of total system still remains almost the same. Then we have studied energy conservation during free fall of a body. Energy conservation during free fall of a body. What is free fall? You'll helipad cross a body, Bunvasa, under the gravitational force of Earth, under the force of G, which is 9.8 meter per second square. Calculate, count it, which is all in a pata. During free fall, you'll helipad body Bunvasa. During that free fall, how energy is conserved and how much energy is conserved? How it is energy is conserved? Potential energy change, kinetic energy here, kinetic energy gets less, potential energy must increase. Say a ball excavate free falls the helipad body bone vasa. Sure. This helipad body bone vasa. So say this of position helipad was the biggest position pair. Helipad was the biggest position pair. Helipad was the biggest position pair. This body six is one of six stone. This helipad bone vasa chhe. Yel pe heri vasa chhe. Helipad kya image jad. It is at a height. It is at a good height from the surface of Earth. Yel ek height pe chhe. Telkas tatnas image at height pa. You tak patak shabash. Tatnas image potential energy jad. Say this. This is position A. This is position B. This is position C, and this is position D. It is surface of ground. So one face, yes, question. Potential, yeah, or boy. Just as question, you get potential energy, you get kinetic energy image. Just position, but you plot how much as potential energy. Say at last image potential energy 100 joules. It is at a height, surface of ground, surface of Earth. It is height पे तमें मतलब को अदला size potential energy में height 100 joules. Kinetic energy क्या है? That is 0 joules. Injection emotional की इस at a बिल्कुल height in the drop दिखा था कि that gets you drop. Total energy क्या है? Total theoretical due एमी कौन से लिखे total energy क्या है? Total energy that is total energy क्या है? Potential energy plus kinetic energy. What is that? Potential energy क्या है? 100 joules. Kinetic क्या 0. Total क्या होगा? 100 joules. ठीक? Yes position में. Position B. ये जो helipad bone वाता है freely falling body है. It is freely falling body. Helipad ची bone वाता. Just क्या go for example यार ना. Just इस वजह में helipad height कम गई. Just गई इस से 2 joule गई इस कम. Just गई इस potential energy 80 joules. Potential energy just इस 100 just 80. वो क्या गया कम. Height गई इस कम. With respect to surface of ground, its height is less, means it is potential energy less. यीताहान में less गई, क्योंकि इस helipad bone वाता, so यहाँ गई convert कट बस kinetic energy मन. So यानी kinetic, तेरे kinetic energy क्या गई? It has been found that kinetic energy ज़्यादा से 20 joules. के यीताहान potential energy less गई, यीताहान गई kinetic energy में change. Total energy क्या गई? That is 80 potential plus kinetic plus 20, that is here 100 joules. go it is conserved to at this position यह position पर बिल्कुल total energy रोजा बिल्कुल थी ये जहाँ potential energy के कम सहान गई convert into kinetic energy just because of that if you most man or you miss sure it is freely falling at position but you would emission potential energy emission potential energy this 60 joules Taji come some Taji means joules will convert it has been found after experimental verification you saw the kinetic energy that is 40 joules total क्या हो 60 plus 40 60 potential energy 40 this kinetic energy go 100 joules at this position what is potential energy it is 40 joules 40 joules it has been found what is kinetic energy it is 60 joules total energy 40 plus 60 that is 100 joules at till this position gross energy image conserve now say up to ground you would get the biggest position pet but was get the zero in this column so we start with the guys will take yet the B20 ms come you buy at 20 joules मगर ये टाइम में कम क्या यूटा इस सरफेस नजदीक वाट यूटा इस मोशन ज्यादा this velocity at इमेज ज्यादा this energy at इमेज ज्यादा so what is position गई इमेज with respect to this ground कम potential energy गई बिल्कुल कम अगर तुम पढ़ते बुझो मगर यूटा इमेज और potential energy कम यूटा शो इमेज gain motion ते गमत इमेज kinetic energy भी इमेज ज्यादा that is ये क्या बना 80 joules total क्या हो 20 plus 80 that is 100 joules at the surface of ground yelli surface ground your ball is ground space touch gata chhe yel tum yuthu ground rale ground se touch tim ko tem potential energy zero gata kya ground space bilkul zero potential with respect to tam jaction tas energy asa ye magar yuthu ground touch tim jaction speed asa variya zyada kinetic energy variya zyada asa go yel das kya tim zero energy potential energy this is potential energy kinetic it has been found kinetic energy is 100 joules total क्या हो 0 plus 100 that is 100 joules go freely falling body means क्या चलेगा this that loss in there is a loss in potential energy but the amount loss as potential energy the amount gain amount energy gain और क्या potential energy में तीसरी शुरा ये क्या 20 कम 20 क्या change into kinetic energy ये क्या 14 कम joules तो मैं 40 change into क्या for this kinetic energy ये क्या 60 कम तुम 60 क्या change into this kinetic energy go is pretty ground state for potential energy zero क्या mark kinetic energy 100 joules go here what we have this obtained what we obtained कि ये जैसा energy she use ये क्या change from one form to another मगर इस total system में energy रोज़ा चे सुशन गसान loss न गसान experiment this is what the law of conservation of energy says at this position 20 at position as potential kinetic energy zero मगर high this is total potential energy is used मगर high टिपट was 100 joules या तो गैस 20 कम total is 100 तम 20 joules get change into kinetic energy that is get 40 come तम into this kinetic energy it gets 60 come तम get 10 kinetic energy so you saw your gain loss in potential energy that same you saw loss in potential energy theta se gain gets kinetic energy total energy remains the same the decrease in potential energy of feeling for what at every point in the path appears at an equally yeah the decrease in potential energy the same amount is increase in potential this kinetic energy this is what the law of conservation of energy says hope you have understood in case of any problem do call on our personal numbers inshallah we will study tomorrow another topic till then khuda hafiz thank you